Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes, and today I will be telling you how to prepare sottu. This is a Navaratri special dish and it is prepared on the 6th day of Navaratri. It is very simple and easy to prepare dish that is distributed to friends and relatives who visit the house on this day. So coming to the ingredients, you need 1 to 1.5 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon grated coconut, half teaspoon sesame seeds, black or white can be used. I have used the white one, 2 to 3 cardamom and 2 tablespoon of sugar. First, dry roast chana dal till aromatic and keep aside. In a little bit of ghee, roast the coconut gratings till they are light brown in color. Keep aside. In the same kadai, roast the sesame seeds and keep aside. Into a dry mixture jar, take sugar, cardamom and dry roast chana dal and grind to a fine powder. Add this powder to the ghee roasted coconut gratings and sesame seeds. Mix well. Your sottu is ready to be served or can be served as nivedya. Some recipes add small pieces of cashew nuts also. So it is optional whether you want, you can add cashew nuts. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.